Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Scholar Study Tech. And today I am going to tell you how you can use timers, alarms and stopwatch on your PC. So let's get started. First we have to open the all apps section, and in here we have to open the alarms and clock. So let's first start with the timer option. In here we can see different timers already given here. So for one is like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes also. Now we will see how we can add a new timer. First we have to click on this blue button, and this type of a screen will appear, and then here we can choose the timings. For example, I want it of just 1 minute, and you can edit the name also of the timer, and then you have to save it. Like this new timer has been added, and after some second the timer will start. So it will go on like this only. And now the timer is about to complete. So guys, as you can see, the ringtone for the timer is there, and now I have to dismiss it. So this was all about the timer section. Now we move on to the alarm section. See, now we don't have any alarms, so similarly we have to go to the add an alarm blue button, and in here we can choose the time when the alarm is to appear. Let me do it 1 minute to keep it short. And you can edit the name, and these are the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. You can choose whether you have to repeat the alarm or not, and on which day the alarm has to play. So today it's Tuesday, and these are ringtones, different ringtones you can use. Let me choose this only, and then this is a snooze time. How much time, for the how much time the snooze will there as it is. So we have to save it after this, and from here we have to on it. So guys, let me add one more alarm so that I can show you how it will play. So the time right now is 13 and it's close to, let me do it of 25. So this is a name, the day, the sound, the snooze time, and we have to save it. And then we have to close this one, and this is on. So after 2 minutes the alarm will play. Let's wait till then. So guys, 1 minute to go. So guys, now it can play any second. So guys, as you can see, the alarm is here, and you can snooze it or dismiss it. After dismissing it, it will not play again, but if you snooze it, like this is a time, it will come back after 1 hour, 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So guys, I am going to dismiss it, and now let's move to the world clock section. So in here, as you can see, this is a world map, and here this is the local time showing currently in Delhi. So if we have to add a new city here, for example, let me add London. So this is a London, England. and see, just as if I had done this time, and now London has appeared and it is showing the correct time of London here. So let us try one more, and let me try Paris. I don't know. So it has come, and if I choose it, Paris is also good. It's currently 9:58 in Paris. So after the world clock it is over, and now let's move on to the stopwatch section. This is normal and everybody knows it. We don't have to add anything. And now this is 0 and we have to click on the play button and the stopwatch will start playing. We can maximize it and minimize it also. So guys, the video is over, and if you have liked our video, please subscribe to our channel Scholar Study Tech, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. We will come back again with a new amazing video.